I am Jennifer with the Perfect Fit Alterations. We are located in Burleson, Texas. Our phone number is 817-447-3522. Now, we have just sewn our petcoat on, and we've demonstrated that it's very important to backstitch right here across the edges and right here on the ends and in the middle. We're going to flip our collar up, and then so that our little dog doesn't flip the collar back the other direction, we're going to sew all the way around the collar to keep that locked in place. Make sure that your seam is right here on the top. This is what we're going to use our free arm for. You slide that in there like that. We're still using yellow thread because I want the yellow thread to show on the purple. It's kind of a decorative. Start right here at the edge of the lace. Going to go forward 3 or 4 stitches. Hit your reverse button to backstitch. And then you're going to continue on. Don't go too fast, because this fabric tends to crawl a little bit, and if you go too fast, you get into trouble. Now when you hit the edge of the lace again, you're going to backstitch a few times. And as you're turning it, make sure that your collar is positioned, because that's the way it's going to be once you've sewn it on there. Make sure that your fabric edge is right at the edge of your presser foot. It's a little thick, so sometimes it's a little hard to sew, so you want to give it a little pressure in the back if you start to get stuck. When you get to the center, we're almost there. You're going to backstitch just 2 or 3 stitches. You don't want it to be able to be seen too much, but you're going to backstitch 2 or 3 stitches. And then go ahead and sew all the way to the end.